So I finally got in my order of Bambu Lab cool plate spare sheets for the PLA side of my engineering plate that I got with the X1 Carbon. Which, let's not talk about the engineering plate side. It's only used for PETG now because things happen, okay? Things happen. Anyways, I got quite a few of them because, one, they were actually sold out of them for a little bit. So once they came back in stock, I grabbed a few because I always mess shit up, so I don't do anything like you're supposed to, which, why should you? I'm just having fun with it all. Two, Kim's learning to print. She's never used this. Accidents happen, so figured I should have a few spares. But I still also have my other high temp plate that I use a lot, which is dual-sided to a textured. My dual-sided textured PEI sheet. This crazy guy that I don't use that much for some reason, but looks really cool when you print stuff on it. Also dual-sided. And then right now, my favorite build plate. And this guy, man, it prints great on it. And prints come off looking great. So, I think I'm going to end up picking up at least one more of these, just so I can have a spare, because I know this one's going to eventually get messed up as well. Oh, see, look, they all go already.